This here is a mystery box from the team over at Bitcoin Merch. And whatever is the biggest miner inside, I'm gonna give away in today's video for one of you guys. So the team over at Bitcoin Merch went ahead and released a brand new product of mystery boxes, and they have 3 different tiers. And I went ahead and picked up the whale mystery box. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Now, the 523 here has no indication of like what box is or anything. This is actually just my PO box number there if you're interested. As always, huge shout out to our Altered Component. He sent this awesome knife to me years ago with the Hobbyist miner actually engraved right on it. So shout out to him. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what is actually inside of here. Now you have no clue what you're getting. There's just 3 different tiers total. Each tier of course has more than the other one, and it's a mystery box. So you really don't know what you're gonna get. All different products from their website. So let's see here. All right, so first look, here's what we have. Let's see, anything in this bubble wrap here? Nope, but there's something in here. I think. Maybe? Yes, let's see what's in here. Open this up. And as I said, whatever is the biggest, I guess we'll say hash rate miner, that's what we'll put it. The highest hash rate miner that's in here, we will give away to one of you guys, because their mystery boxes always include some type of at least 1 miner. So let's see if we can get this opened up. And it includes a bunch of different things, swag, stickers, shirts, all that fun stuff. Okay, so first thing, look at that, Bitcoin Merch sunglasses. All right, let's go ahead and put these on. These are like, look at that, nice. I love cheap sunglasses because I break them all the time. Perfect new set. All right, on my head. Let's see what else we have in here. Let's go with this guy. So it says Bitcoin Merch Decor Decoration Gift is what it says on there. Let's see what we get here. Hopefully the miners are in the bottom. All right, so we have some type of stand. Oh, it's like an LED stand. And okay, sweet. Look at this thing. What do we got here? Look at this. Trying to, here we go. There we go. Nope, it goes this way. Perfect. Trying to read it. Let's see. BitcoinMerch.com, me cute going moon versus rich mine, please. Bitcoin Merch. What? Is that English? Is that like broken? But that's pretty cool, and it goes right in here, which is nice. So it's like a little, like a desk lamp setup. Please remove. Okay, we're gonna set this up off camera here because I want to set up everything. But that's kind of cool. So it's not a Dogecoin, it's a cat. Now that I look at it, unless it's supposed to be like the Doge dog, I'm not really sure, but we'll see what that looks like. It's a cool little item here. What do we got here? All right. Oh, this is the BitcoinMerch.com Disruptor USB Solo Miner. So as of right now, this is the highest hash rate, but I can't imagine this is much. Doesn't say on it what that hash rate is. Let me open this up real quick. But this will be nice to get set up in the shed with all of our other solo miners. I have a number of USB miners out there, so we'll absolutely add this to our collection. I always love increasing my hash rate. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Check that out. Dude, this is a big fan for this little thing. So this isn't, I was gonna say, is this a, this is an ESP32. I was curious on which model it actually was. ESP32-S3-W Room-1. Oh, look at that. That is sick. Check that out. Now that looks pretty cool on the backside there, which is actually pretty nice. So that's actually, I like that. So this, as of now, opening this up, this is what we're giving away unless we find something with higher hash rate. All right, let's see what else we have here. Oh, don't look at that. Don't look at that. Let's see what else we got in here. We'll come back to that. What do we have here? EliPal Titan Mini. I don't think I've ever used an EliPal wallet, to be honest with you. Let's check this out. But this is sick. I always love getting new wallets. Here's what I recommend for people with cold storage wallets. Now that we have a minute while I'm opening this, we'll take a look. I always recommend that you guys diversify your crypto. So like, let's say you have a Tangent wallet. I'm a huge fan of Tangent. Always recommend Tangent, especially for like an everyday wallet that you're using. But I think it's really smart to diversify not only the wallet you're on, but like the make and model, so that you're on multiple different brands, multiple different wallets. It's just better to be safe than sorry, and to diversify your kind of where your holdings are. Oh, this is weird. Look at this. I thought it was like goofed up or a sticker, but it's actually like oddly shaped. This is the LEPAL Titan, some type of charger here. This is some type, oh, it says air gapped on the back with the camera. That's slick. I've never actually used LEPAL. While we're going through this, side note, comment down below, which cold storage wallet do you guys use? I'm just very interested. Anyone using the LEPAL, let alone the LEPAL Titan wallet, a mini? But this is sweet. We got a number of items in here. What else do we have? I got something right here. What's this? Oh, I have one of these. I actually did a video on these not too long ago. This is the gold nugget miner. I have a sweet little stand set up with 5 of these actually. Look at that. It's got that cool big screen on the front there. There's not much to it either. The acrylic case, USB-C. These are nice. These I really like, actually, better than, I like the gold nugget miners much better than the actual like USB ones, but I've actually never set up the USB, these disruptor style with the fan on them. I've actually never set them up individually. Okay, so I'll put this aside. I still think that it's either, I'd have to look, it's either the disruptor or the gold nugget that we'll be giving away as of now at this point. All right, what else do we have? What is this? This big thing over here to the side. Oh my gosh. It's a Future Bit Apollo BTC. Is this box looks like it was in someone's closet for the last like 10 years. Apollo BTC standard PSU, it says 200 watt. What? This, let's take a look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Is this the original? I know they just came out with a 3. Look at that HDMI port on this thing. So check this out. So headphone port, what are we doing here? This is VDC out. I don't know what that is. The cover's there. Look at that. USB, Ethernet. Okay, 2 6-pin here. That's pretty slick. So it says right here, Apollo BTC model ABA 2001, and it has a serial number. Is this the original Future Bit iPolo? If so, like, holy cow, this is quite old. Look at the bottom of this thing. You could just like see it like right in there. Look, there's a 1 terabyte NVMe right inside of here. Like it just, there's no bottom, just this is it right here. This is wild. I never owned one of these, actually. This must be one of the originals. Where did they dig this out of? Holy cow. I mean, I'm thankful I got this in the mystery box, but still, I'm going to have to look to see. I'm not sure what the hash rate is on this thing. All right, so let's put this in here. That's definitely different. But like, man, that's older. That was in the back of like their inventory. They were like cleaning out. They were like, oh, let's throw this in this mystery box. All right, we got a big unit here. Hang on. We got, what else do we have in here? Little money, little fake little Venezuelan money. A whole thing of stickers, that's cool. And this guy, what's this? I saw it when I opened it, and I'm excited for you guys because we're gonna give this away to one of you guys today. Oh, dang. Check this out. Let me move the box aside. Oh, we got more stickers there. All right. This, I already know what this is. Oh, what is that? There's something else in there too. I'm trying to figure out the best way to pull this out without messing it up. This is the NerdQX Hydro. Look at this thing. This thing lights up all full RGB because I have one of these already. Yeah, NerdQX Hydro. Check that out. Has an AIO block on it for cooling. This lights up with RGB as well as the fan here inside. And then on the back side here, here's your radiator shroud. So what happens is it actually pumps. It's like a gel almost inside here. It's not water, and it pumps it over top of the actual ASIC chip. And it pumps that, and then when it goes over the chip, it heats up, right? And then it gets pumped back here. It goes through this radiator setup here. The fan cools it, and then it gets pumped right back in. So one line is cold and one line is hot. This is sick. Absolutely. What else is that? What is this thing? Oh, this is the screen. I was wondering what this was. This is actually the screen for this guy. Check that out. That actually goes right here on the front. I was wondering like what the deal was. I mean, I guess they package it separately just to keep it safe. Yeah, That's the LilyGo screen that you guys see right on there. Look, do you see me? Hello, I see you. But that is really, really nice inside of there. Okay, let me do some quick research on some of these items. I'll be right back. All right, so let's take a closer look here. So we're over on Bitcoin Merch's website. And if you guys want, I'll leave a link directly down below if you're curious on browsing their site a little bit more. But over on their site, if you actually scroll down, they carry all different types of different home solo miners. And here's where they have the mystery boxes. So there's a poor man's mystery box, and that comes in at $199. They have a mystery box here, the legendary mystery box at $399, and then the one that I got, which is $799, which is the whale mystery box. Now they're all sold out at the time of recording. Maybe by the time that you guys watch this video, they will be available if you're interested. So taking a look at the whale box here, what's inside the box: ASIC miners, random merch, wallet or backup seeds, stickers, and goodies as well. So that's actually pretty slick. Now looking at our items that we got. So the disruptor here comes in at $150, discounted down from $299. And that's a 300 gigahash model. And some people go crazy. Take a look at that. You can get a whole bunch of these, build them up if you're interested, or just run it independently on any USB port, which is actually really, really nice for solo mining. Now the gold nugget miner, this is one I already have. So nice thing is I'm just going to add this in with my group. I do have a slot available. I have 5 of them. I can support up to 6 on this kind of switch slot that I have. And this one comes in at $59. So we're about $220 now so far in miners, which is nice. And this one though only comes in about 376 kilohash. Like this is much more of a display piece than actually of a miner. Now the Future Bit Apollo here, I did find, I actually was able to look right here. This is the exact model, FBA 2001. I've never owned any of the Future Bit models here, but the nice thing is this is not just a miner. It's also a node, as you guys can see here. So it's kind of 2-in-1. And the reason there's an HDMI port on it is you can actually plug it in and everything, which is actually it kind of surprised me to say the least. I have never owned one of these, but you can see here it says 2 to 3.8 terahash. So as of right now, the FutureBit Apollo is actually the most powerful unit that we showed in today's video. And it ranges from 125 watts in their eco mode up to 200 watts as well. And this is interesting, can be used as a full desktop computer with a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, not included through our web UI. That's very interesting and different. So we were at 220, we're at another 6, so we're at 820 so far. And then on top of that, the last item here, which this item's $699 alone, which really surprises me because that pushes us when we think about like the math there. Let's round this up to 700 there. We're about 8, so 9, 10 there, 5. So we're like $1,600 in miners right now. And we went ahead and got this for the entire price of the whale mystery box was $799. So like we lucked out here. But guys, look at this. Bitcoin Merch Hydro Miner 5 terahash is the last item. So I guess we're going to go ahead and give this away. If you guys do decide to buy anything on Bitcoin Merch's website, if you guys want to save a few bucks, go ahead and use the checkout discount code Hobbyist, and that'll actually save you a few dollars at checkout. All right, so not a bad haul at all. So as we talked about, our whale mystery box was $7.99, and I feel like we made out pretty dang good. Now taking a look here, we do have the LED display light. I want to show you guys it changes all different colors here, which is actually pretty dang slick. You just press the button. We do have our Bitcoin Merch sunglasses. We have our disruptor stickers. We have the wallet, which actually is pretty nice. The gold nugget miner, I have 5 of them over here. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in with the mix. I can support up to 6 on this stand. Did a video on this not too long ago. We do have the hydro miner as well. I actually have one of these already out in the shed. If you guys want to learn more, I'll put a link down below to that video, coming in at 5 terahash. And then this Future Bit Apollo, which is so new to me. I've never owned any of those Future Bits out there. So we were talking about a giveaway, right? Well, we're giving away this hydro miner here, coming in at 5 terahash total for Bitcoin mining. Nice thing is you could do Bitcoin Cash, you can do Digibyte, anything that's SHA-256 on that algorithm, you can mine with this miner. And this is a sweet miner. I haven't had any issues with it. I've just set it and forget it. and off it went. Now, to sweeten our giveaway deal, whoever who wins it, I'm also going to send them this display lamp as well. So you're going to get not only this, but also the Hydro Miner as well. And this giveaway, guys, is available to anyone in the world. Does not have to be specifically within the US. So would love to get your thoughts. This is how you enter the giveaway. Right now, today, the price of Bitcoin is 66,879. Ugh, that hurts. I would like to know, comment down below, do you think we are in a bear market, a bull market, or do you feel the cycles just really don't apply anymore? Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And in 2 weeks, I'll pick one winner and I will send this and this directly to you anywhere in the world. All right, guys, I'll leave links to everything down below, especially those 3 mystery boxes. Hopefully they're in stock by then if you guys are interested in getting one. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. I've teamed up with the Mining Disrupt crew to help spread the word about one of the biggest crypto mining events of the year, Mining Disrupt 2026 in Miami, Florida on July 21st through July 23rd. Beginners, home crypto miners, mid-sized farm operators, full-scale operators, everyone comes together under one roof in Miami. Expect major hardware launches, industry-leading speakers, creator meetups, and amazing after parties every single night. Tickets are on sale right now and use the code HOBBYISTMINER for 20% off. Link in the video description or scan this QR code. See you in Miami in July.